Well, yesterday was another busy day. We had everybody on the crew working and working on the last bit of chimney. So we'll walk around again. Cleared out all the debris. Got a whoop, sorry, a bad step. What do we got? Temporary mailbox. We didn't get mail for a couple of days because the mailman couldn't see where to put it. So, still looking into the door. Don't know what's happening yet. And the windows, that work will be done soon to fix them. Swap them. Some of the house wrap going on. Some more up top. Some of the flashing, on the bottom and around the windows. Maybe you saw that yesterday, I don't know. Anyway, that's the back. No dog yet. I'm a little earlier this morning filming, so they're not up yet. And you can see some of the windows have their little flashings underneath. So, and hopefully eventually the chimney will go. So, and I might do a little walk around on the inside so you can see some of the inside windows. Yes, that was the big work yesterday, getting that down to that level. So, completely smooth and boring, right? There were a lot of wasps nests in those overhangs. So, and you can see here, I might change some of this a little bit. I might push this wall out of it. But this is definitely interesting. This was hiding above the gas fireplace insert. They finished above it, put some vapor barrier, and it got warm. In fact, the whole thing kind of charred. Let's take a quick look in here. Like, look, that was hiding in my walls. I'm glad it didn't come out of my walls or get any worse. Anyway, so I'm going to stop here. I'll show you some inside stuff in a second.